All right, so I've just found this. It's a really cool online comic creator. So I'm going to just show you how to get started with it. The controls, it feels like a little bit of an older website design. It's probably been around for a while, but it's really cool, and it does a lot, and I think it's a great way to be creative. You could use it to storyboard, lots of things. But anyway, here's the basics. One, you've got some panels for a comic, and below here you have your characters and objects that you can put into the thing. So the first thing you always want to start with, I think, is a background. So I'm going to click on New Backgrounds here, and it shows all these backgrounds. I'm going to choose a background, unicorns, rainbows. Yes, okay, sounds good. So I think I click here, and then oh yeah, there we go. I click on it, put it there, and then I can move it. I can resize it. I'm going to click on the next one, click on the background, it sticks it in. I'm going to click on the next one, click on the background, stick it. So there's my background. I've got my background for my thing. And then you can do things to any object in your comic. You can click on it, and then these tools here allow you to change the size. You can flip it. You can bring it to the front or the back. So if I click here now, it'll flip it. Okay, so that's the flipping tool. This is the delete tool. So if I click on the delete tool, I can delete an object. I wonder if I can Control Z. No, there's no undo, so just be careful. So I'm going to add it back in. I added my background back in. I'm going to hit the scale button. I'm going to scale it up a little bit right there so it fits. And then I'm going to click anywhere off. Now I'm going to add a person. So you're going to use the back key here, and you're going to find a character. So let's just throw a character in. I like this character, and they have several versions of that character. And I'm going to start with, I don't know why she's playing football with unicorns and stuff, but whatever, that's cool. And then I'm going to scale the character. I'm going to make her so she fits in a little better. And then I'm going to click on the four-way arrow, the move, so I can position the character. Maybe she's standing right there. And then I got it. There's my basics. So then I'm going to hit the back. I'm going to go back again, and I'm going to go to my talking balloons, because that's what cartoon characters do. So I've got three sizes. I'm going to try the smaller one. Yeah, that's perfect. Maybe I'll stick it right there. I might want to reposition my character a little because the balloon doesn't fit very well. So I'm going to hit the move button. I'm going to move my character and put it right there. Okay, and then so you've got your character, you've got your balloon, you've got your background. And then you've got how you can change those. And I don't know what the dialogue prompts are. Oh, look at that. It gives you... Oh, that's cool. So there's some information, and there's some help with the menu if you need help. That's awesome. So then you double-click there, and you type the words. I'm going to throw this football. Which isn't a very exciting prompt, but there you go. Getting started with Comix Maker. Show me what you got. I'm going to have another video that talks about how to export and save. That's next, and it'll just be called How to Export and Save from Make Beliefs Comics. So this is the website, by the way, just in case. It's Make Beliefs Comics with an x.com/comics, and that's this little comic maker, and they have lots of other things here. And I think it's just a cool way to be creative. So enjoy that. Have a great day.